The COVID-19 pandemic highlighted the need for the African continent to develop its skills and infrastructure to manufacture health products locally. This will reduce the continent's reliance on imported therapeutics and promote the development of tailored health products for the African population. It will also reduce the cost while improving accessibility.
The introduction of the Workforce Development Training Program addresses the significant skills deficit in Africa around biomanufacturing. Funded by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, it is designed specifically to transfer hands-on training in biomanufacturing across all unit operations. Other support given to this program has come in the form of GIZ funding under the SA VAX program, and this is specifically around scholarships for South Africans to attend these courses under the African Workforce Development Program. The GIZ funding also extends to CSIR staff upskilling themselves in specific areas such as GMP manufacturing. This will allow our staff to be trained internationally, and that concept of the trainer module will be implemented in Africa.
It was a really positive and wonderful experience. The facilitators were fantastic and they really helped us understand what is involved in biomanufacturing at a larger scale. I think the knowledge and skills we gained here will be highly transferable to our workplaces and hopefully help us improve our own bioprocessing experiments and things that we do in our own labs.
So looking at the upstream process, we learned on how we inoculate, how we do cell banks, working cell banks, master cell banks. Then looking at the downstream process, we also looked at how we purify everything. So basically, this is a platform which gave me the tools to do better and to know better with regards to our activities back home.
I will actually implement platforms like e-seminars, webinars, as well as training and workshop, so that I can share the tremendous knowledge I have gained on site at CSIR. Collaboration is the key so that we can be able to solve all the problems we are currently facing in Africa.
I think looking at where Africa is and the strides that we are making in trying to localize vaccine production, it's not only around facilities and infrastructure. The key emphasis needs to be on skills that can be actually used and deployed in these facilities in order for us to be successful.